Welcome to this 7-part series where I am talking about how I am reaching 2 lakhs per month as a full-time freelancer going from a corporate. Step 1 is to understand and figure out your niche, one area that you're good in and one type of skill that you're good at. This might take you a few weeks to a few months to figure out, but give everything a try if you're not sure. For example, I chose social media writing. I write YouTube scripts, I write LinkedIn posts, I write any form of content for carousels, videos, etc. So that became my strength and entry point. The second thing that I did was trying to understand the industries that I had an awareness about and that I could write about. So I chose fintech, tech, and lifestyle coaching. These were the 3 things that I had some idea about, and for some of the industries I had a lot of idea about it. So these were the 3 industries I finalized. So this is how I chose my niche. Go ahead, sit down, find out a niche and an industry for yourself, and that is the first step in becoming a highly paid freelancer.